So this is a follow-up video of the Jacuzzi JMC16, and this is a pre-filter or multicyclone, and this one hasn't been cleaned out in 6 months, so all this dirt from the last 6 months would be in the filter. Instead, 80% of the dirt is trapped inside the JMC16, which is a great way to keep the dirt from going into your sand filter, cartridge filter, and even DE filter. And this is the cartridge filter at this pool. Now if you had a DE filter, one of the main drawbacks is that it'll even filter out the DE. So if you were to charge the filter at the skimmer, all the DE would be trapped inside the JMC16. So the solution if you have a DE filter installed is to create a bypass. Waterco was supposed to manufacture the bypass, but I think there was a supply shortage of valves. But I have a mock-up of how the bypass should look. So all you have to do is measure the PVC pipe and get the fittings, and you can actually make your own bypass. And the bypass is pretty simple to build, and it's definitely going to help you if you have a DE filter, or if you want to introduce any kind of chemicals to the skimmer. The bypass is a great way to do that. If you want more details about the JMC16, you can watch my review video where I go into more detail about the actual device. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the valve and purge the dirt out. And you only need to open up the purge valve for about a minute, and this is a great water saver also. If you have a DE filter or a sand filter, you're going to eliminate a lot of the waste that you have in water usage when you backwash that filter. And of course, this is probably going to take a couple more purges to get all the dirt out, and this is again 6 months of dirt. But you can see that the chamber is a lot cleaner after I purged it. And so if you live in an area where a lot of dirt gets into your pool, the JMC16 is a great way to keep the filter cleaner and running longer in between cleanings. It's also a great way to reduce backwashing of your sand filter. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.